Hey guys, it is Marilynn Taylor of MarilynTaylor.com. I'm an interior design coach to DIY enthusiasts like you. And today I am working on the One Room Challenge project that is sponsored by Sherwin Williams. They have given me their top of the line. It is a new product called Emerald. It is a paint and primer together in one. It's an acrylic latex paint, so it's easy to use, it's water-based, easy cleanup, but it goes on, it's durable. You may not need to use a primer. It has the primer in it. Now, I am painting two walls in this room with this particular product. The back wall I did not prime because it was already black. These doors I primed, and I primed this wall because the wall was pink, the doors were white, and the trim was white. And I'm going to be using a very dark color. So if I use the same paint over black and pink, it may look like two different colors on the wall. So also, the reason why I needed to prime the doors and the trim is because I was unsure if it was oil-based paint or water-based paint. Now, you cannot paint a latex acrylic over an oil-based paint. If you do a water-based on top of oil, it will not stick. So this Zinsser is my primer of choice. And the reason why I like this one is because it goes over anything. It can go over latex or it can go over oil-based. And it sticks, it holds, it's amazing. Now, I chose gray, which normally comes in a lighter gray, but it needed to be, I wanted it to be as close to this black as I could get it. So I had them tint it with 2 doses of black to get it the color that you currently see. So I am excited to try this emerald paint. I am grateful to Sherwin Williams for sponsoring this, and it is going to be a deep, deep green. I am using Cascade is the name of the color. I don't know the number off the top of my head, but it will be in the notes of this video. I'm gonna get started right now painting the walls with this emerald product by Sherwin Williams, and I am so excited to show you how it turns out.